In this video, I will show you how to cancel your Disney Plus subscription on iPhone. To do this, simply go and open up the Disney Plus app or website and click on your profile picture. From there, go to the account section. And here under subscription, you can see the current subscription you're on. So for me, Disney Plus Standard with ads. Simply go and click on the subscription it says for you. And then you're about to leave the app and go to an external website. From there, click continue. It will then take you to Disney Plus. Here, click manage account. And then you may need to sign in if it doesn't do it automatically. And what you can now do is here under manage your account on the Disney Plus website, scroll down. And then here again under your plans and billing, click on the Disney Plus plan that you're on. So for me, standard with ads. And after doing that, you can then scroll down and here you will find cancel subscription. So click cancel. Now here you can either click keep subscription or just click continue to cancel. Then again, click cancel subscription. And then just scroll down, then they may ask for a reason, for example, had difficulty navigating, then click submit, and then it says, okay, your subscription has been cancelled. So that's all you need to do to cancel your Disney Plus subscription on iPhone. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.